everybody, and welcome to my new giant shop. Even though I have moved my shop plenty of times in the past, one thing I have never done is actually take the time to lay out the new shop before I move all my stuff in. Usually I just bring all my stuff to the new shop, I make a big pile. Next time I move, I take that pile, I bring it to the new shop, same pile, always in the way. I move my shop, I pick it up, and so on and so on. But with this shop, I really see potential to get my idea to make a gallery for makers off the ground, and I want to do things right. So I will give myself 1 week to only think about shop layout and prepare the shop. So when we move this stuff in, everything has a place, and it's going to be the best shop I've ever had. This shop is so big, it is very hard to understand the layout. So let me draw you a picture. All right, that's the rough layout. I just realized because it's a new empty shop, I don't even have a big marker here, so I have to write with my fingers. But that's the idea, yeah? This is where you come in. This is the roll-up gate. And instantly, I want this space to be the gallery. That makes this little room here the gift shop. This big X means there's going to be nothing there. I'm a strong believer in sympathetic magic, and I want to attract big, giant, cool projects like the $1 camper. So I'm going to keep a big portion of the shop absolutely free so I can take on big, exciting projects. Okay, this is the dividing wall. You can still walk back and forth here, but this is dividing the bricks gallery from my actual workshop. And here, in this part, I want to have a bar. This wall, I want to have like a special color. It should look different, like an eye catcher right away. And there should be some stuff on it. I'm not necessarily sure exactly what, but some other exhibition space that is not the gallery. Maybe some stuff that we built or something that inspires me. So I'm going to put Expo, this part of the wall. I also want to paint, so it contrasts this division wall, and I want there to be a big mural of every defect gets respect on it. So, respect. Now we're entering the actual workshop space, and this is going to be the bench, my big workbench, and my main work area. Again, free space for big projects. This is going to be metal. And this is going to be the wood shop. All the big machines are going to be there. This area, I want to be super cozy. Like a big desk, all my books, all the stuff that inspires me. I want it to be darker. I feel like I can focus better in the dark. I want there to be a little bit of music. I want there to be a couch. So kind of like a cozy lounge. Lounge? Is that a lounge?
Yeah.
Lounge access. That's the plan.
So what's first?
What's first? I think we should start with the paint since my fingers are already dirty. My landlord left me a couple of these heavy duty shelves and I already put them in here. So this wall is not only a wall, it's also storage. So from this side, I can store stuff in it. From this side, it's just going to be a closed surface. Let's paint this. Let's paint this and then take it from there. Sam, do you want to get black or pink stains on your clothes?
I'll choose black.
Okay, I'll take pink. Okay, on this black wall, I want to have a giant every defect gets respect. And in a perfect world, I would have my laser here, but I don't. But I also really want to do it, so I don't want to wait. So I'm going to freehand it, and if it looks crooked, we'll just paint over it and try again. Oh God, I already love it.
That looks so satisfying.
Oh, can I do this as full time? I mean, I'm lazy. I'm gonna do the beginning of every word and then move along so I don't have to move the letters so much. I need to scooch a little closer. Oh my God, this is so fun. This is so fun. The first S, I'm dreading it a little bit. That's the most complicated one. Okay, let's do it. Oh. Yep. Well, next time I should have started here. We have one more to do better. This time we go all in. Better. Ta-da! I want to do more. What else can we write?
That looks great.
I'm glad we didn't ruin it with a laser. I think it would have been too,
Too perfect.
too spaced out, and this is just, that's how it is. I only think, does it need I think it needs a line underneath. Does it need a line underneath? Wow, I can't believe how much paint this little roller can hold. Okay, this is going to be the wood shop. Bunch of storage, so much room for all the machines. It's gonna be amazing. And then if you walk over here, this is the lounge. I painted everything gray to make it even more cozy. I imagine a sofa here. Maybe we can have a projector or something, or a TV. There's gonna be music, more stuff in the shelves. Once we have light and electricity, this is going to be the coziest office I have ever had. And if we walk over here, we have the flex area where we can potentially work on big campers or dinosaur bones or whatever we want to do. Over there, there's going to be metal and wood over here. And then we are leaving the shop side and we're entering Bricks Gallery. We have a big mural that still has enough space on this side for our backdrops. So thumbnail photography, product photography, all of this can happen here. We have a permanent black, and then we can have pink, bone, like all the colors we like to use as backdrops. And when we walk over here, we have another giant pink background that's gonna be, I don't know, like flex expo space. Maybe some stuff that I wanna show that I built, or I don't know. It looks good as is, but we can fill it with more stuff. This is going to be the bar. And my kitchen, coffee machine, fridge, microwave, all that stuff. When we have events, there can be, like this will be closed, obviously. There can be drinks here, whatever we need. I just feel this corner already is a gallery. And all of this is exhibition space for the Bricks Gallery for Makers, and also flex space for whatever we want to do. Maybe it's a party. Maybe it's an exhibition. Maybe we get another camper that we want to work on. Whatever comes our way, I feel with this shop, we are more than ready to handle anything. I really feel there's a before warehouse and warehouse area in my life. This will, I don't know what it is, but I feel this warehouse is gonna change stuff and get us some really, really, really exciting projects. I hope you are as pumped as I obviously am. And I will see you next week with a bunch of elbow grease because we're bringing in all my tools. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next week. Welcome. You're our first guest.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. It's huge.
So big.
Whoa.
Isn't that crazy?
It's like we could do sports in here.
I was thinking when I was here last week.
Like, I can get up to top speed here.
Yeah? What's your top speed?
Watch me! Hey, watch me!
Welcome to the world's first powerbank dating show sponsored by Bluetti. Let's welcome our candidate, Sam. Oh, nice. I like to run. Yeah. Welcome.
All right.
Our candidate, Sam, is going on a road trip and he's wondering which of those three beauties he should take with him. Sam, is it going to be contestant number 1, the Elite 200 V2? It can power up to 9 devices simultaneously. It is great for RVing, camping, and road trips, and it is exceptionally useful because of its weight and size. Or is it going to be contestant number 2, the Bluetti Elite 300? It is comparable in size and weight to the E200, but it is the world's smallest 3 kilowatt-hour portable power station. It is RV ready with its TT30 outlet and a 12-volt and 30-amp DC port. Oh. Or is it contestant number 3? The biggest one we have here, it's the Elite 400, and this one is a whopper.
Oh, yeah.
It is the largest of the group with a large capacity of 3,840 watt-hours. It even works as a full home backup system, but is also big enough to power any outdoor adventure while still being mobile because of its handlebar and the wheels. Sam, who are you taking on a road trip to Ohio with you?
I think for size and capacity, this Elite 300 is the best of both worlds for me.
I think you are right.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Oh,
you are now
thank
dating
you.
a power bank. If you want to get a power bank for yourself, please check the link in the description. And there's a discount code, Laura5OFF, will get you 5% off. Thank you, Sam, for doing this. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Bluetti, for supporting my work. And I'll see you next week with a new video. Bye.